Is it realistic to generate money online by simply viewing YouTube videos? That is indeed right. You heard it properly. Right now, the simplest way to generate money is to watch videos on YouTube. With this method, you may obtain PayPal money and make money online without putting in any effort or spending any money. You don't have to upload or shoot them, edit them, get subscribers, or invest money. All you have to do is to watch them, which is absolutely free and open to everyone. What you have to do is watch videos, collect points, and then cash out. However, before you can start making a lot of money, you must first complete the procedures I'll teach you in this video. Before we get into the site, it's important to note that our strategy will focus on what we do when we watch YouTube videos on our phones and computers. In today's world, I'm not sure how this activity may make us money, yet here we are. Isn't technology wonderful? Not only that, but I'll teach you another technique to maximize and take note since this is going to be a great video. So stick around until the finish. But before we start to this brand new video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel.
Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
So this website is addmefast.com. This will allow us to view YouTube videos in return for points that can be traded for cash or PayPal money. I'll also teach you how to transform your points into cash. So just stick with me and I'll show you everything. Furthermore, this is a social media engagement site where users may share YouTube views, likes, and other similar information. You can learn more about the site and the unique features that this platform offers on this website. To utilize this platform and earn money, all you need is a YouTube account. You won't need a lot of subscribers or likes to get money. All you need is an account. If you don't have a channel, you can establish one on YouTube.com by visiting there and signing up. Returning to the AddMeFast platform, click this button to test it for free. After clicking it, you'll be led to this page where you'll be asked for information and such, which is your first and last name, email address, and other information required to properly create an account. So when you're done, check this box and then finish the sign-up process. They'll send you a confirmation email that looks like this after you register. And make sure to check your spam folder because their emails are almost always redirected here in your email. Click the verification link to become a registered user of the website. Allow me to go into my account for the time being so that you can check that this platform is authentic and functional. Here is the dashboard. As you can see, this is just a basic website where you may earn money on a regular basis. On the left side, there are options for earning points. You can leave likes and comments on posts by clicking here. Or you can follow random accounts on Twitter, Facebook, and other social media platforms by clicking here. Once you complete these tasks, the platform will provide you with the appropriate points. But before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Now, let's get back to the video. On the bright side, you may utilize whatever social networking platform you choose. But that's not why we've come. We've come to make a living and build an income stream by watching YouTube videos that can assist us with whatever needs we have. Go to the left-hand panel and search for and select YouTube views. When you click that button, you'll be taken to this page right away. As you can see, in order to gain this number of points, you must watch this video for a specific number of seconds. It's as easy as clicking a video and seeing this page appear on your computer screen. This page will keep track of how long you've been watching the video and if it's playing. As you can see, the page is ticking down, so we'll have to wait a few minutes to get our prizes. Furthermore, you can use the strategy on a regular basis to earn an unlimited number of points by simply watching a video for a few minutes. You can also exchange your points for likes, views, or subscribers on social media networks. And you will earn this number of points for each person who joins the platform's referral program. Another feature on this page is that you can earn a daily bonus by simply signing up every day and doing tasks. But this option will only be available to accounts that have been with the platform for a long time. So be active in order to claim that daily bonus. This platform rewards consistency, so make sure to log in every day. Now that we don't have a daily bonus, let's make the most of our YouTube videos by watching them all at the same time. By all means, watch a lot of them. Now, since you're still here, I'm going to show you another platform that can help you make more money just by using AdMeFast. It's incredible to think all of the potential income this platform has. Let's go to playerup.com, which is a social media marketplace where you can buy and sell social media accounts and engagement. Go to this website and scroll down till you find a button for all other games marketplaces. After pressing that button, search for the Facebook button in the letter F category. You'll be taken to this page where you can buy and sell and exchange Facebook followers, friends, and even likes. To make things easier, we'll focus on Facebook likes, followers, and shares. So if I click right here, I'll get this. You'll come across this page where people sell these types of services for reasonable prices. This number of likes for this amount, for example, you can sell these types of services and player up with the help of AdMeFast. And by watching YouTube videos, consider that if you do this on a regular basis, it will undoubtedly help you and your needs. All you have to do now is join up with PlayerUp and start advertising your services. So if a customer requests you to raise the number of likes on a Facebook post, for example, you'll go to admefast.com and look for the plus and add button on the dashboard. You'll be taken here after choosing to proceed, where you'll select the type, which is in this case, Facebook likes. Then, in the countries category, pick global. And last, in the title field, type anything the customer wishes. Now you must copy the customer's URL that connects to their page or post and enter or paste it here. The CPC will be defined by the number of points you spend, which is equal to a specified number of likes. After inputting and processing everything, you're finished and you have supplied the customer with a service by delivering him or her the Facebook likes or whatever they need, and that's all there is to it. You've completed a basic task for a large sum of money. To simplify the procedure, you must first register with AdMeFast and then view a lot of videos to collect points. Then go to playerup.com and pick the Facebook likes category. Once you've accumulated a large number of points in AdMeFast, the next step is to register with PlayerUp and sell your service, which in this case is selling Facebook likes. If a client wishes to purchase the service of boosting certain aspects of their social media engagement, they can do so by providing their URL for you to enter in AdMeFast right here. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.